Good morning, everyone. We're here again at Kwan's Kitchen, and we're here to demonstrate how to cook tteokbokki. According to my upa, tteokbokki is a very popular Korean street food. Okay, so what are the ingredients?
This is Korean rice cake. This is fish cake. This is cabbage, onions. This is gochujang, Korean chili paste, and sugar.
First off, we boil some water, and the first thing that we put is the rice cake or the tteokbokki. And then this is to be followed by the odeng. Odeng is like our Filipino kikiam or fish cake. So we put it into boil, and we add our sauce, chili paste or gochujang. You can actually prepare this at home because most Korean condiments now are very available in Korean supermarkets anywhere. And what makes this dish unique is that you can adjust its spiciness level or spicy level. If you don't want it very spicy, you can have more sugar than the spicy sauce, or if you want it spicier, you put more spicy sauce than the sugar. Okay, and since vegetables madali siyang maluto, it will be the last ingredient to be combined to our menu. So we'll bring it into boil 3 to 5 minutes at the most.
Yes, in Korea usually added some cabbage, sometimes boiled egg, sometimes another.
So as you can see, preparing tteokbokki is very easy and it's very quick. If you're in a hurry to prepare some snacks, you can actually prepare this at home. Ingredients are very much available in the local market and both in Korean supermarket for the condiments or the sauces.
Good.